Brilliant.
Informative.
Attractive.
Technical.
Interactive.
Friendly.
With over 800 people, NOET is confirmed to be the largest international cybersecurity event we have in Italy. Coming from the underground, organized by people that are very passionate of what they do, voluntary, we do it for fun, but it's also very large. We have multiple tracks for people that are very hardcore into technical research, people that want to learn, or people that want to explore new things. We also have a very interesting custom hardware badge you can hack and play around, and it's the best platform to connect with new people and sharing knowledge.
At NOHAT, I was teaching the ARM64 Assembly and Shellcode workshop.
My talk is called Nothing to Hide, and it's about my journey through today's world, trying to protect my privacy.
Research approaches to automate vulnerability analysis and patching.
Linux kernel security research.
Security of physical access control systems.
Active Security is specialized in security services, security assessment. We support NOHAT because we have the same DNA.
Saumil Networks is a threat intelligence product that monitors and detects continuously your OT and IoT networks. We want to support as much as possible the youth, that it's a great opportunity to connect with the new talents.
Claudio Colombo, I'm the Innovation Director of SorinSec. NOHAT is for sure one of the best events for the community. We want to give back all the opportunity that we had in the past.
NOHAT 2023 has been an amazing event, and I think you should join 2024 edition.
Coming together not because of commercial purposes, but because of passion.
People go very much in depth into technical topics, so you're going to learn a lot.
Great speakers, and I also love to engage with all the attendees.
It was very fun to be on stage and speak and interact with all these people.
Okay. So, don't miss it.
Please mark your calendars.
You will find friends here.
Thanks for being with us, and see you next year.